All right, for question 2, we have this graph where we have a pediatrician who records weights of babies seen in the doctor's office. The scatter plot and line of regression is shown below. What is the slope of this line, and what does it mean in this context? So first thing we're looking for is what is the slope of the line. The first thing it asks us is what is one point on the line. So I just need to find any point that is on this line, and there's one right here. This would be the point 2, 6. So that is one point that's on the line, is 2, 6. Another point on the line, there is more than one other one, but I'm going to use this point up here. This is the point 4, 10. So that is another point that's on the line. We've got 2, 6, and we've got 4, 10. Okay. It says use these points with the slope formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So I'm going to say that this is x1 and y1. I'm going to say this is x2 and y2. Okay, now this part is a little bit messed up on my end, so it should be still fine on your end, but to fill in this formula, we would put 10 minus 6 divided by 4 minus 2, because this is my y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So 10 minus 6 divided by 4 minus 2. And this is going to give me 10 minus 6 is 4, and 4 minus 2 is 2, and 4 divided by 2 would be 2. So my slope of this line is going to be 2. Oops, not m. My slope of the line is going to be 2. Okay, the next question we're trying to answer is what does the slope of the line mean given the context of the problem? So we know that the slope is 2, but what does that mean for the context of the problem? These next questions will help us to answer that. Our slope is rise over run. So we're going to have our y values above our x values for the slope. If we have a slope of 2, this would be the same thing as 2 over 1. So I'm going to think about the slope as being 2 over 1 instead of just the number 2, because that will help me later on. So it says, what do the y values for this graph represent? Well, here they are right there. The weight in pounds. So the y values represents the weight in pounds. What do the x values of the graph represent? Well, there you go. It's labeled on the graph right there. This is the age in months. The age in months. So when I find my slope is 2 over 1, my y values are on top and my x values are on the bottom, then 2 is going to represent the pounds and 1 is going to represent the months. 2 is going to be the weight in pounds, and 1 is going to be the age in months. So what this means is that the weight in pounds increases by 2, right? This is the weight in pounds increasing by 2 on top. Actually, the weight in pounds increases by 2 every 1 month. When the age increases by 1 month, the weight would increase by 2. So the weight in pounds increases by 2 for every 1 month. Now, A and B, these are the two answers that you're going to need to put on the other part as well. A and B. So the 2 is the slope of the line, and then what does the slope of the line mean? The weight in pounds increases by 2 for every 1 month. And that is all that we need for question 2.